Mark, what's the first thing that happens in your house?
The first thing? My little nieces wake up very early, maybe 6 a.m. They run downstairs to see if Santa brought presents.
Santa, do you still pretend Santa is real?
Of course. They're young. They believe in magic. We leave cookies and milk for Santa the night before, and in the morning, the cookies are gone.
That's adorable.
Just Easy English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Just Easy English Podcast.
Hi there. We're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Hazel. We help you learn real English in a simple and natural way.
If this is your first time listening, welcome. And if you're a regular listener, thank you for coming back.
Today we're talking about something really special, Christmas time.
Yes, we'll teach you how to talk about Christmas, useful words and phrases, and even what to say to wish people well during the holidays.
It's going to be fun and useful. Are you ready, Mark? Yes, we'll explain why my uncle falls asleep every Christmas.
Absolutely. Let's start. So, Hazel, Christmas is coming soon. How do you feel about it?
I feel excited. I love this time of year. The streets have lights, the shops have decorations, and everyone seems a little bit happier.
That's true. There's something magical about December. Even the cold weather feels nice.
Exactly. So, Mark, let me ask you, what's your favorite thing about Christmas time?
That's a good question. I think my favorite thing is the food. My family cooks so much food. We have ham, roasted vegetables, fresh bread, and always chocolate cake.
Oh, that sounds delicious. For me, it's spending time with my family. We all live in different cities now, so Christmas is the one time we're all together.
That's beautiful. Family time is really the heart of Christmas, isn't it?
It really is. Now let's help our listeners talk about Christmas in English. Let's start from the beginning, before Christmas Day.
Good idea. So, in the days before Christmas, people do a lot of preparation. What do you do, Hazel?
Well, first I buy gifts for my family and friends. I usually go to the shopping mall, but sometimes I buy things online.
Shopping online is so convenient. Do you wrap the gifts yourself?
Yes, I buy colorful wrapping paper and ribbons. I'm not very good at wrapping, but I try my best. The gifts look a bit funny.
I'm sure they look fine. I also wrap my gifts. Last year, I used newspaper because I forgot to buy wrapping paper.
Newspaper? That's actually so creative.
My sister didn't think so. Both laugh. But besides shopping, what else do people do before Christmas?
Many people decorate their homes. They put up a Christmas tree with colorful balls and lights. Some people hang stockings near the fireplace.
Yes, and don't forget the star or angel on top of the tree. My nephew always wants to put the star on top. He's only 7, so we have to lift him up.
That's so sweet. We also put lights outside our house. They're white and gold, and they shine all night.
Beautiful. Another thing people do is send Christmas cards. Do you send cards, Hazel?
Not paper cards anymore. Now I send messages on my phone or social media. It's faster.
True, but I still like receiving a card in the mail. It feels more personal.
You're right. Okay, now let's talk about Christmas Eve, the night before Christmas Day.
Christmas Eve is special. Many families have their own traditions. Hazel, what does your family do?
On Christmas Eve, we go to my grandmother's house. She makes hot chocolate with marshmallows. We sit by the fire, talk, and sometimes we sing Christmas songs together.
That sounds so cozy. Do you open any gifts on Christmas Eve?
Just one. The children get to open one small gift before bed. It makes them very excited.
Smart. In my family, we watch a Christmas movie together on Christmas Eve, usually something funny. Then, at midnight, we say, Merry Christmas to each other.
That's lovely. Some families also go to church on Christmas Eve for a special service. The churches are decorated with candles and flowers.
Yes, it's very peaceful. Now, let's move to Christmas morning. This is the big day.
Christmas morning. Mark, what's the first thing that happens in your house?
The first thing? My little nieces wake up very early, maybe 6 a.m. They run downstairs to see if Santa brought presents.
Santa, do you still pretend Santa is real?
Of course. They're young. They believe in magic. We leave cookies and milk for Santa the night before, and in the morning, the cookies are gone.
That's adorable. In my family, we don't have young children anymore, so we sleep a bit later. We wake up around 8 or 9 o'clock.
Lucky you. So after everyone wakes up, what happens?
We gather in the living room. The tree is there with all the presents underneath. We take photos first. Everyone in their pajamas, looking sleepy but happy.
Photos are important. Those memories last forever. Then you open the presents.
Yes, but slowly. My father gives out the presents one by one. He reads the name on each gift, and that person opens it while everyone watches.
Oh, that's nice. You see everyone's reaction. My family is different. Everyone opens their presents at the same time. It's very loud and chaotic.
Both ways are fun. The important thing is the happiness. Oh, and everyone says thank you, even if they don't love the gift.
Exactly. It's polite. The thought is what matters. Now, after the presents, the next big thing is food.
Yes, the Christmas meal. Mark, this is your favorite part, right?
Absolutely. Christmas lunch or dinner is amazing. My mother spends hours in the kitchen preparing everything.
What time do you usually eat?
Around 2 or 3 p.m. We call it Christmas lunch, but it's really between lunch and dinner. What about you?
We eat a bit later, around 5 or 6 p.m. We call it Christmas dinner. The whole family helps prepare the food.
What's on your table? What food do you have?
We have baked ham with honey glaze, mashed potatoes, green beans, fresh salad, and homemade rolls. For dessert, we have apple pie with ice cream.
That sounds incredible. We usually have roast chicken instead of ham. And we have rice, glazed carrots, and corn. My mother makes a special sauce with mushrooms.
Delicious. And don't forget the drinks. We have sparkling grape juice, which looks like wine, but has no alcohol. The kids love it because it feels fancy.
Nice. We have the same. And my uncle always brings a special fruit punch with oranges and cranberries.
The whole meal takes hours. We eat slowly, talk, laugh, and enjoy being together.
Yes, and everyone eats too much. We say our eyes are bigger than our stomachs.
That's so true. After eating, everyone is so full. We can barely move.
After the big meal, what does your family do, Hazel?
We rest. We move to the living room and sit on comfortable chairs and sofas. Sometimes we watch TV or listen to music. Mark, my uncle always falls asleep on the couch. He snores very loudly.
My uncle always falls asleep on the couch. He snores very loudly.
Ha ha, that happens in every family. Later in the afternoon, we might play games. Board games like Monopoly or card games.
Games are fun, but sometimes people get too competitive. My brother gets very serious about winning.
I understand. We also make phone calls or video calls to family members who live far away. My cousin lives in Canada, so we call her.
That's wonderful. Technology makes it easy to connect with people anywhere in the world.
Exactly. Oh, and some families go for a walk after eating. The fresh air helps with digestion.
Good idea. Now, before we continue, let's teach some useful vocabulary for Christmas. Our listeners need these words.
Let's start with simple words. Mark, what's the first word?
Let's start with celebrate. This is a very important verb. It means to do something special for a happy occasion. For example, I celebrate Christmas with my family.
Perfect. Next word, decorate. This means to make something beautiful by adding ornaments, lights, or colors. We decorate the Christmas tree every year.
Good one. How about gather? This verb means to come together in one place. My family gathers at my parents' house for Christmas.
I love that word. Next, present or gift. These words mean the same thing, something you give to someone. I bought a present for my sister.
Yes, and wrap is the verb for covering a gift with paper. I need to wrap these presents before Christmas.
Don't forget stocking. This is the long sock that children hang up, and Santa fills it with small gifts and candy.
Right. And those small gifts inside are called stocking stuffers.
Another useful word, feast. This means a large, special meal with lots of food. We have a Christmas feast every year.
Excellent. How about some phrases? Look forward to. This means you're excited about something in the future. I'm looking forward to Christmas Day.
Remember the grammar. After look forward to, use an ing verb or a noun. I'm looking forward to seeing my family.
Very good. Another phrase. Spend time with. This means to be together with someone. I want to spend time with my grandparents during the holidays.
Perfect! These words and phrases will really help our listeners talk about Christmas naturally.
Now, let's talk about something really useful. What to say to people during Christmas time.
Yes, this is important. You want to wish people well, but what do you say? It depends on who you're talking to.
Exactly. Let's start with the most common phrase. Merry Christmas. This is what most people say. It's friendly and appropriate for everyone.
You can also say Happy Christmas, but Merry Christmas is more common, especially in American English.
Right. Now, some people don't celebrate Christmas. So you can say Happy Holidays. This includes all celebrations in December, Christmas, and New Year.
Happy Holidays is very inclusive and polite. You can use it with anyone?
Good point. Now, let's talk about different situations. Hazel, what do you say to your close friends?
To close friends, I might say Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful time with your family. Or Happy Holidays. Can't wait to see you in the new year.
Nice and personal. What about colleagues at work?
At work, keep it professional but warm. You can say, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a restful holiday season. Or simply, Happy Holidays. See you next year.
Perfect. And for your boss or clients?
More formal. Season's greetings. Wishing you and your family all the best this holiday season. Or warmest. Wishes for a joyful Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Season's greetings. That's a great formal phrase. What about family members?
With family, you can be more emotional. Merry Christmas! I love you so much. Thank you for everything this year. Or, Happy Christmas, Mom! You're the best. I'm so grateful for you.
Beautiful. You can also add wishes for the new year. For example, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope 2025 brings you health and happiness.
Yes, here are more phrases for New Year wishes. Wishing you success in the new year. May the new year bring you joy and good fortune. Here's to a fresh start and new beginnings.
Wonderful. Let's give some more examples for our listeners to practice.
Okay, if you're writing a card to a neighbor, happy holidays from our family to yours. Thank you for being such a wonderful neighbor.
If you're texting a friend, Merry Christmas. Hope you're having an amazing day. Let's catch up soon.
For social media, wishing everyone a peaceful and joyful holiday season. Merry Christmas!
And if someone says Merry Christmas to you first, you simply say, Merry Christmas to you too. Or, thank you. Same to you.
It's that simple. The most important thing is to be sincere and warm.
Hazel, I think we should also mention that not everyone celebrates Christmas, and that's completely okay.
Absolutely. If you know someone doesn't celebrate Christmas, just say Happy Holidays, or I hope you have a wonderful break, or enjoy the holiday season.
Exactly. Be respectful and inclusive. And if you don't celebrate Christmas yourself, you can simply say, thank you. I hope you have a great Christmas. You're not celebrating, but you're wishing them well.
Perfect advice. Now, let's think about our listeners. They might want to practice these phrases. Mark, can we do a quick role play?
Sure. Let's imagine we're colleagues at work on the last day before the holiday break.
Okay. Hi, Mark. So, today's our last day before the holidays. Do you have any plans?
Yes. I'm going to my parents' house for a few days. We'll have a big Christmas dinner together. How about you, Hazel?
That sounds lovely. I'm staying in the city, but my sister is visiting. We're going to cook together and watch Christmas movies.
Nice. Well, Merry Christmas, Hazel. I hope you have a wonderful time with your sister.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you too, Mark. Enjoy the time with your family and see you next year.
See you in January. Happy holidays.
Perfect. See how natural that was? Our listeners can practice conversations just like this.
Now it's your turn to practice. We have a question for you.
Here's the question. What is your favorite holiday tradition? It can be for Christmas, New Year, or any holiday you celebrate.
Maybe you eat a special food, or you visit a certain place, or you do something with your family every year.
Write your answer in the comments. We love reading them. Use English if you can, even just a few words. We'll give you hearts.
And while you're there, please subscribe to Just Easy English Podcast if you haven't already. It helps you because you'll see all our new lessons.
Hit the subscribe button. We make new podcasts every week to help you learn real English in a simple way.
We also want to say, we're so proud of you for learning English. It's not easy, but you're doing it. Every time you listen, you improve.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and don't worry about mistakes. That's how we all learn.
From both of us, we wish you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a wonderful New Year.
Be safe, be happy, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.